Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about past perfect tense. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to understand this tense, let's go to my screen and check what it means. So now you can see on the screen that we have a definition, and the definition says it's a tense used to talk about an action which happened in the past before another action. Okay, so whenever you talk about any action, that basically happened in the past before another action happened, there we will use past perfect tense. Okay, so now let's try to have a formula that how to make these sentences, what formula we are going to use. The formula is very simple. Subject plus had. Okay, we are going to use had with all the pronouns and nouns here. So subject plus had plus verb third form, or should we say past participle form, okay, plus object plus etc. So this is the formula we are going to use in our past perfect tense. Okay, so now let's try to make some sentences. So the first sentence we are going to make is, I had finished my work. Now, as I told you before, that we use it to talk about an action that happened in the past before another action. So we are going to use another sentence, another part of the sentence, and this is how we use it. I had finished my work, and now the second part of the sentence, which is before she arrived at my home. So now you see that we're not only going to use the past perfect one, but we will be using the past simple one too, right? I had finished my work before she arrived at my home. Let's try to make some more sentences here. She had launched her new product before ABC company made a new one. Okay, she had launched her new product before ABC company made a new one. Okay, so this is our second example. Okay, so now let's go to our third example. So the third example can be, I had eaten my food before before she called me. Okay, I had eaten my food before she called me. Now you see that we are using the same formula, subject plus had plus verb third form, or the past participle plus object plus etc, etc. Now let's try to understand that with the help of our timeline, that where exactly we use in on at which time do we use past perfect tense. So let's try to understand with the help of our timeline. Let me try to make it a bit smaller. Okay, so let's suppose this is my timeline, and let's say this is now or present. Okay, and this is future, right? Never mind my handwriting. And this is past. Okay, so now we see that what the definition says. Definition says that an action happened in the past. It is happening here in the past, and before another action, I'm going to use a different color for that. So before another action, this is a different action, okay? And the action we're using in the past perfect is this one, right? So this happened before this happened. So there you will use past perfect tense. So I hope, guys, you understood what the past perfect tense is. If you like this video, then please leave a like below. And if you have any further question, you can leave a comment below. So that's all. Take care. See you. Bye-bye.